And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know. This I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. She told me, all the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah, girl, I know.